A series of network apps, along with their associated vertical applications and use cases, have been validated in the Evolve 5E validation environment, following the Evolve 5E validation methodology. These use cases include mixed reality assisted manufacturing, an intent-driven chatbox for precise machinery maintenance, an AI-based video analyzer for industrial robotic safety, a system for security information and event management, a blockchain data brokerage engine, an IoT-based remote monitoring platform, and an AI-based analyzer for industrial robotic safety, a machine learning-driven anomaly detection system for industrial processes, an AI-driven humanoid robot, AI-driven logistic robotic fleets, and smart irrigation systems. Those validated network apps are available on the Evolve 5E marketplace. We will see in detail one of these validated use cases, mixed reality manufacturing, in the next video. Thank you.